Hello, everyone. My name is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now, you're looking at the third and final video as it relates to translating algebraic expressions. And this time, we're going to translate algebraic expressions involving multiplication and division. We have two sections here that kind of help us get a deeper understanding of what it means to translate multiplication and division. And so let's take a look at the first example in which we have 4 times a number. We can say 4 times a number x if we like. And so right here, 4 times a number would just simply be written as 4x or 4p or 4d. All right, x is like a common variable that we use. So we'll just say this expression is represented as 4x, and let's take a look at 4 divided by a number, or we can say 4 divided by a number x, and we have 4 in the numerator position and x in the denominator position because we're taking 4 and we're dividing it by x. Okay, and let's take a look at the second row of examples in which we have the product of 7 and a number. The product is the same as times. They are synonymous terms, and so the product of 7 and a number x right here can be written this way, 7x. And then over here, we have the quotient of 7 and a number x, or the quotient of 7 and a number. Quotient means divide. And so we have again 7 divided by x right here. So that's what this means, 7 divided by x. Now let's take a look at the last row in this section in which we have a number c multiplied by 16. And you're probably inclined to write C first and then 16, but in algebraic expressions, you write the number first, then the letters. So the answer is actually 16C. And let's look at this one right here, in which we have a number C divided by 16. And so we have C in the numerator position and 16 in the denominator position. And so we have C divided by 16. Let's go to our lavender section. We're going to compare and contrast over here. And now we have 9 times a number minus 2. What's interesting is that the order of operations applies even to translating algebraic expressions. So we're either going to have to multiply or divide before we add or subtract. And in this case, we're going to multiply first, then subtract the 2. And so now we have 9x minus 2. So 9 times a number. Then what we're going to do, we're going to subtract 2 from it. And that's why we have this expression right here, 9x minus 2. Now let's take a look at 9 divided by a number minus 2. Division comes before subtraction and addition, so we're going to write 9 divided by x minus 2 right here. Now let's take a look at our second row in which we have the product of 12 and a number increased by 3. If you recall from previous videos, increase means to add. And so the product of 12 and a number x increased by 3, so we can write it as 12x plus 3. And over here, we have the quotient, and remember, quotient is the same as division, so the quotient of 12 and a number increased by 3. Division comes before addition, so we're going to write 12 divided by x plus 3. And here are our last two examples, and we have this one right here, in which it says a number p multiplied by 18, then decreased by 9. So decrease means to subtract, so we have a number p multiplied by 18. That gives us 18p. Decreased by 9 gives us minus 9. So we have 18p minus 9. And over here, we have a number p divided by 18 increased by 9. Increased means to add. And so p is going to be divided by 18. And so we have p divided by 18 plus 9. Okay, you have been given quite a bit of information. I wouldn't blame you if you just need to pause the video to kind of process things or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of translating algebraic expressions as it relates to multiplication and division. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.